I'm going to explain that is ink and solvent using in flexography printing. Ink components that is and their role. Solvent that is dilutes ink and controls its viscosity for that is transferred to the substrate. The type of solvent used depends on whether the substrate is porous like paper and non-porous like plastic films, that is colorant provide the color to the print. This can be pigments or dyes, binder, the resin or polymer that holds the colorant and adhere it to the substrate once the solvent evaporates. That is additives. Various other chemicals can be added to modify properties like gloss or ink flow. Listen carefully each and every point. Common solvents and their characteristics. There is water used in water-based ink. It is more eco-friendly option, often used for porous substrates like paper and cardboard. That is ethyl alcohol, a common solvent used to adjust viscosity and speed up drying. Ethyl acetate, a fast evaporating solvent that is good for quickly adjusting ink viscosity. Methyl propyl acetate, that is a slower evaporating solvent useful for that is extending the drying time if needed. That is hydrocarbon based solvents, that is compounds like hexane, heptane and naphtha can be used for their solvency, that is power. That is keynotes. Solvents like acetones and methyl ethyl ketone, that is MEK, are used in some specialized ink for their rapid evaporation. That is factors influencing that is solvent choice. The most important substrates the type. Non-porous substrates like plastic films typically require a higher concentration of solvents for that is proper drying and adhesion. That is porous materials like paper can be printed with ink containing more binder or even water-based inks. That is drying time. Solvents are selected based on the that is desired drying speed, which is crucial for high-speed printing and avoid smudging. Environmental and safety, that is regulation, that is the use of solvent is regulated, that is due to concern with the volatile organic compounds. Many companies that is switch to water based inks and use solvent recovery system to comply with local regulation. So this is the most important. Sustainability, you have to always keep in mind for sustainability and use more water based. Thank you very much.